Hi there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. So I recently went to Korea and I went a little crazy with the K-beauty, so I thought I would do a little haul for you guys. I picked up so much makeup, low-key a little bit more than I thought I would, because I don't tend to spend much on makeup anymore because I feel like I have quite a bit. But I think I'm just gonna start by brand. So I don't know why, but I've recently been kind of obsessed with DASIQUE. I still don't know how to pronounce it, but I picked up this brand the last time I was in Japan. I think I got one of their eyeshadow palettes and I really liked it, and I think it's a Korean brand, so I decided to kind of stock up on a few of their products while I was in Korea. But I just picked up their blush set, so I think I picked most of this up from Olive Young. I think it's called the DASIQUE Blending Mood Cheek in the color 07 Candy Berry Special Set. I think this was an Olive Young exclusive, so it came with the palette, the blush palette, and two little cushion puffs, which was adorable. I also ended up picking up this set. It was way too cute to pass up on, and it is the Almond Vanilla, the DASIQUE Shadow Palette in 21 Almond Vanilla Special Set. Another Olive Young exclusive. It comes with this really gorgeous like brown golden shade eyeshadow palette and then this little ice cream. I actually like kind of have no idea what this little ice cream is. What is this? I think it's a nail polish. Yeah, that's cute. So it comes with this little ice cream nail polish in this like blue minty color, which is really adorable, and the eyeshadow palette. I did also end up picking up another eyeshadow palette from their ice cream collection. This one is in Blueberry Sorbet. I don't really use purples, but I just thought that the pinks and purples in this palette were just way too adorable to pass up on, and I really do love the DASIQUE eyeshadow formulas. I like how sparkly they are, so I figured if I was ever going to get one, I should just try this one out. So I also picked that one up. I did also pick up two of their lip tints, and this one is in the shade Cream Soda. I feel like it's just a really gorgeous hot pink scarlet color. This packaging is adorable. And then I did also pick up this one, which is in like a really pretty orange apricot color. This one is called Melon Sherbet. How gorgeous is this packaging? I low-key forgot what they look like, but that's absolutely beautiful. I picked those two up. I did kind of go like a little bit crazy on the lip products, so I think I'm just gonna speed run through some of them. I did also pick up some PERIPERA lip tints. I think I was watching a TikTok and one of the girls was raving about PERIPERA lip tints, and I've used PERIPERA lip tints before and I love them, so I decided to grab some. And this one is in the PERIPERA Water Bare Tint. I have number 3 Emotional Tint and number 4 in All Night All Right Peach. I remember these being super cute as well. Oh, the girl said that the ones that she had came with ribbons, but mine didn't come with ribbons. Sad. I was really hoping that they would. Why is there like a random hole? But these are the two colors. This packaging, once again, adorable. Glossy lids and then like matte tubes. Super pretty. I did also pick up this one from PERIPERA, which is the Ink Mood Glow Tint. This one is in the shade number 1 Best Beige Menu. I think that I actually wanted to get more from this range, but they just didn't have any colors that I really liked. But I love this packaging. It's so cute. It says Mood in like a really pretty cursive font. I did also pick up some lipsticks from ROM&ND. I don't know if that's how you say the name, but I picked up these two shades. This one is in the shade number 8 Coralia, which I think is a really beautiful coral shade. And then I also picked up one in Lovely Pink, which is in kind of like a hot pink scarlet shade. These are like super small, so they're perfect to throw in your wallet. Decided to pick up a ROM&ND eyeshadow palette. I've heard really good things about their eyeshadows, but I've never really tried them out before, so I thought I would pick one up. This one says Better Than Palette in the shade 08 Peach Dahlia Garden. Ooh, it's so cute. So I picked up a peachy pink palette. That's what it looks like. This packaging is so nice. I love that you can see the palette. I really do need to test that out. I've heard good things, so I can't wait to try that out. Now kind of onto the face products. I saw so many people on TikTok raving about the CLIO Kill Cover Mesh Glow Cushion SPF 50. We love some SPF. Mine is in the shade ABO Ginger. It's like low-key hard finding your shade in Korea because everything is so pale. But I picked up this one. Oh shit. It comes with a refill. I didn't even know it came with a refill. That's so good. But it's so cute. It's like this gorgeous pink acrylic shade. I kind of like want a cute compact to like carry my bag. This one's kind of big, but super pretty. I did also want to try some like new Korean foundation, and I stumbled upon this at Etude House, and Etude House has never failed me, so I decided to pick this up. And I was like asking the guy, and he gave it to me, and it came with a brush, and I was like, that's so cool. So this is the Etude House Double Lasting Cover Foundation. It's vegan, and this is in the shade I don't even know what shade this is. Let me check the bottle. It comes like that with a brush, and then this is in the shade 23N1 Sand. But I was like testing them in the store, and the coverage actually looks pretty good. So I can't wait to try this because I used to swear by an Etude House BB cream, and then for some reason I think I just like stopped using it because I was trying other stuff. But I've always loved Etude House coverage, so super excited to try that one out. I did also pick up a Laneige foundation. How cute is their packaging? It's so clean. Laneige. This one is in the shade 23N1. It's like matte and like embossed. How gorgeous is that? Their packaging is like pretty chunky, which I feel like would look gorgeous on your vanity, but it's pretty big. Like why does the lid have to be that big? But it is beautiful, so it's fine. I was pretty happy that mine was a pink color though. This is their Neo Foundation Glow. It has SPF 16 PA++, and it's in the shade 23N1 Sand. I realized that I've been picking a lot of sand products. This one was also called Sand, and I think this one was also, my CLIO was also Sand. I don't remember. But how adorable is that? And it's like a pump. This feels like such big packaging for like such a tiny amount. But Laneige is bougie like that, so I can't wait to try that. And just some random things I picked up. I got this like fix all day tight makeup fix. I think it's like a powdered setting spray, but I saw some people on TikTok recommend this, so I had to pick one up. This one comes with the makeup spray and then a coating gel finish, moisturizing coat. I feel like you put that on after your makeup if it's a finishing gel, but I've actually like used it, and the mist is so fine. It's so nice because it's like a spray bottle. Such a fine mist. It actually feels really nice, but it also came with this little gel. I've never put on like a moisturizing coat after my makeup, so I should try that to see if it actually like works or not. And the last thing that I picked up is actually this really random Carly Soul Wrinkle Bound Multi Balm. My sister said that she sees this a lot in K-dramas, so she wanted to try it, so I decided to pick one up as well. It says the Carl Soul Wrinkle Bound Multi Balm with Jeju Original Oil, but I think it's just like a glow stick that you put on for like a really nice glowy look. But that's pretty much all the makeup that I picked up in Korea. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!